Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up into a Tilt account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and search for Tilt right over here. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application right over here. Download and install it onto your mobile device and finally click on open. Once you've done that, we want to go ahead and create an account. So we're not going to tap on login. Instead, we're going to click on get started. It's going to ask you for your phone number. Simply go ahead and enter your phone number and click on next. Once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and ask you for your email and creating a password. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you for SSN and you're going to be in this application. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.